were evaluating this 9 years back, of course, we did our homework as to which is the property we buy, what is the location we need to look at. So we just did our survey and thought Century, when it did come up in the North Bangalore, one is a location wherein it is quite, we thought that it is quite central for now with good connectivity to all the sides of Bangalore. Century is a good builder with 40 years of experience in the industry, and we said, yes, why don't we go with Century. One is the location, second thing is the space, what was there. The third thing I would say that, we wanted something quite compact, not that, 2 to 3,000 apartments where it is. We thought something compact and nice, which is quite suitable for our small family. And of course, I think Century is quite well known of their quality and of course the Vastu compliance as well. So we thought we will go with Century. One is the schooling. As you know, quite a lot of schoolings are there this part of town, and North Bangalore is catching up, like metros and connectivity coming up in North Bangalore. I think it's quite appreciated than expected rather. Century has found this property wherein every side you see it is quite green. So one thing I was very happy with Century is the balcony space which has been given, right? It's very spacious, very nice. At least that balcony size, what you say, it's very spacious. To the utility towards the kitchen, as you said, it is very well spaced. The kind of sink what you can keep your washing machine also, which is very well spaced. I should say that yes, it is well planned. It became a big difference when we moved in from an independent house wherein, more so where I was living in, though. As soon as you go out of the gate, it is a road. Now, when we moved in here, it was like for her a freedom, a bird left out of a cage. She had her own friends group, she had her own age group rather, as I just told you. It was a blessing with her, and her school commute also cut down by at least 50%. If I remember well, I and my wife were just driving somewhere, and then we just heard this ad on a radio saying that Century is coming up with this in North Bangalore. So within a week we finalized the property. Even the excavation wasn't started that time. Once the construction started, quite a lot of tie-ups with the bank. They were very helpful in getting us the correct sort of a loan in the right bank with the correct sort of an interest rate. So it is very, very healthy and very useful and very helpful sort of interaction. And of course, after the buying of apartment also, the CRMs were very interactive and asking regularly as to what is that you want, any changes needed in the apartment, and so on and so forth. Then the best part is, I think, if I am not wrong, the property was completed well before it was committed. One of my cousin who was living in Bellandur, I keep visiting her, and I keep asking her, why are you living in this place? Why don't you go to an open space wherein it is more oxygen? So she said, what do I do? I said, try with, because my experience was Century was good. I said, try any of the Century's properties where you really want to think of. She came up with a property next to your metro cash and carry in JP Nagar. So she asked me, Vikram, how do you think about this property? I said, it's reasonably a new one, you check it out. Now she just moved a couple of months back and she says, Vikram, this is the best move I've ever had. I do recommend to people that you can definitely blindfoldedly go with Century and they commit to what they say.